Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Hinge dating application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your device, open up the iOS App Store, and once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Hinge and start your search. Once you find the Hinge dating application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Just tap on this Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Hinge dating application on your device. Just wait for a while until this installation is completed, and when you see the Open button, you can open up the application and proceed with logging in to your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the Hinge dating application on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Hinge dating application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.